not aware, it's October, which means it is time for me to come up with as many ideas for last-minute Halloween costumes as I possibly can. I already have a pretty good idea about what I want my actual Halloween costume to be, and I will be making a video about that coming up as I sort of get all my pieces coming in before I start assembling. For today, I thought I would continue a series I mentioned I would start last year called Plain T-Shirt Halloween Costume Ideas. So I have taken a single color of Halloween costume, well, a single color of each. I've done one of each color. All the way through the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, black, and white, so that any plain t-shirt that you have somewhere in your closet can become a Halloween costume for the day. So let's get started. The first Halloween costume that I have in mind is for a red t-shirt. With the red t-shirt, you could pop on a simple pair of bear ears at the top of your head in a yellow color and maybe add a honey pot for effect, and you can be Winnie the Pooh. For orange, I have a Fred Flintstone idea. So all you would have to do is simply take some black spots all over the orange t-shirt, a raggedy piece of blue felt or a blue tie or something tied around your neck. And if you were really feeling like going all out, you could definitely do the dark hair, but that is a very simple Fred Flintstone costume. For yellow, I went pretty simple, and this is going to be a very classic and one I'm sure you've seen a lot, but pineapples, very, very easy to do. I think this one's really a little bit more fun than doing, say, another kind of fruit, because there is wonderful headpiece potential there. So you could take a couple of strips of green cardstock or poster board or anything that you want, and just sort of create a headband piece that looks like the sprouting bits of your pineapple piece, and simply take a marker or felt pieces of little V's all over your yellow shirt, and that should give you your pineapple effect. The next idea I have is for green, and for green, very simply add a beautiful serif script M to the front of your t-shirt and you can be the green M&M. If you really wanted to kind of add that weird chocolate sex appeal vibe that they have going for her on all the commercials, you could definitely add the white boots too. For the blue t-shirt, I'm thinking some simple darker blue spots all over and another set of headpieces, ears this time, some dangly blue ears with matching spots, and that is a very easy Blue's Clues costume. Next is purple, and I'm really excited about this one, though I don't know if my younger audience is totally gonna get it, but simple purple outfit and either a white or a silver rectangle somewhere in the middle, like that, and another headpiece made out of purple pipe cleaners in the shape of an upside down triangle, kind of pouncing off. It's the Teletubby. I don't totally remember what the purple Teletubby's name is. It's Tinky Winky. You can be Tinky Winky for Halloween. I mean, honestly, what more could you want? The next one I have is actually something I was really thinking about doing this year for Halloween, but I ended up kind of going for something a little different, specifically since I wanted something relatively school appropriate and recognizable so that I could go and teach on Halloween in my costume. And that is Edna Mode from The Incredibles. I know I did The Incredibles last year, and that's kind of where I started getting this idea. Not to mention I've always just kind of wanted a short black wig, but do the short black wig, the big black frames, and simply wear the black outfit as a dress because, you know, high fashion, darling. And I bet you could pull that off pretty well. Alright, moving on to the last couple of costumes, we have the white t-shirt, and for the white t-shirt, very simply take some paint or felt pieces once again and attach a diamond or heart or spade or club to the center of your shirt and some numbers on either side, and you can very simply be an easy playing card. And finally, the last one, the pink one. I thought this might be a cute idea for a best friend's costume or a couple's costume, but to go with our Winnie the Pooh costume earlier, we could do Piglet. Very simply, you can take some black string, or if you wanted to kind of just paint it on if you have that kind of steady hand. I don't think I do, but add some simple lines across, and once again, headpiece with some ears, and that would be a really easy felt project as well. If you want some more guidance on how to make certain headpieces, you can see a pretty good idea of how I've done that in the past with this right up here. That is my Daisy Halloween costume I did a couple years ago, and I made her little crown out of felt and an old headband, and yeah, I think that might be all that I have to say today. Stay tuned if you want to see what I'm going for as Halloween this year. That'll be coming up either next week or the week after. I haven't totally decided. I think it's going to depend on when my pieces come in and exactly how long it takes me to put the whole thing together, because it's going to be a little bit more sewing heavy this year, I think. So with all that said, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, feel free to stop by again next Sunday at noon for another crafty video. I will see you then. Bye!